What's the meaning of CID? CID. CID.
CID. CID. CID is an abbreviation that can have multiple meanings depending on the context. In general, CID can stand for Caller ID, which is a technology used to identify the caller's phone number. It can also denote Criminal Investigation Department, a law enforcement agency that investigates criminal cases. Additionally, CID can be an initialism for collision-induced dissociation, which is a technique used to fragment large molecules in mass spectrometry. In summary, CID can refer to different things depending on the field or situation where it is used, such as phone technology, law enforcement, or scientific research.